Howdy howdy! So today I am going to try to make some more room for my queen in our hive by taking some frames that are filled with syrup and honey and spinning them out so she has open comb that she can lay, and that way we will try to prevent any need or urge to swarm. That's the plan. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to go in the hive and grab a few full frames of honey/syrup comb, and then I'll spin it out later. Okay, here we go. Gently as I can. Push some of these bees off. Alright, so we have 6 frames here, and the plan is to use this tool, and this will cut off the caps of the honey, and then we'll be able to extract it. Now, this should be hot enough. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, all capped.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Try that machine.
We're going to take this. I'm going to use this to cut the caps off. Isn't that amazing? We can use them for candles. This is the best, purest wax right here. The honey caps wax. Beautiful.
This is real homemade bees honey.
Isn't it beautiful? This is the best wax right here.
What can I have a taste?
Not yet.
Okay. That looks so delicious. I just have to have a taste of it.
No. So cut that all off.
Maybe Mud would taste it. Yum!
Boy, that's good.
Bees honey.
Yay! I have honey! Okay, not too close. All right.
Extracting.
All right.
What a feel.
Is it spinning out?
Yep.
All right, so there are the frames placed in the extractor, and then we'll spin it. Actually, we should put the lids on. Okay, let me get it going. Ready? We don't want to spin it too hard. Yeah, good. You see it coming out it's in the bottom, the very bottom. You can see the honey starting to collect. Okay, let me help you. Okay, stop.
Can I do that, Kat?
Just a minute. And spin it in. Okay. I think we need to use a little bit more speed, but not too hard. All right, let's open this and see what comes out. Yeah! That is my first honey harvest. So cool! Yes!
Working together. Yay! Yay!
Still have lots of honey in there, so let's put the second jar in there. So, the second jar, and you can open it up.
Can I
Yep.
open the extruder?
Yep. Lift that up.
Okay. Yep. It's filling up.
Isn't it great? This is great.
What if it's all in one jar and it's all in one jar?
What do you mean? I have another jar.
But what if all that honey goes in this jar?
What do you mean?
So all this honey inside the barrel goes all inside there.
So, that's fine.
We can make more?
Yeah, we can get more honey.
I think that's enough.
No. Don't do it. No, we're going to fill it all the way to the top.
Why?
Because.
Then when it's up to the top, I'll close it. Shut. It's almost to the top. It's growing fast.
Cool. Yep, turn it off. Good.
Okay.
Another jar.
I hit it.
Good job.
Okay, now I have to move that jar.
Put the lid on first. Yep.
Jar full of honey.
This one underneath.
That goes with that. Honey. Three. Come on. It's filling up so quick.
Yeah, I want it to, because I want to separate this honey from that honey.
From this honey?
From the 3 frames. I still have 3 more frames I need to spin out.
Okay, can I help
want to
you?
keep it, yeah, but I want to keep it separate from this honey. This one's more like honey than the other one.
Well, there's some chunks.
Yeah, chunks, that's just wax, it's okay.
Can you eat these
Oh,
pops?
yeah.
Eat it?
Yeah, you can.
Can eat bees pollen?
No, you can eat pollen.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I eat it all the time.
And yogurt. Oh, when you say hit it, so when it's full to the top,
Whoa, hold the jar,
say hit it to me, all right? To close.
Look at it.
Hit it. Good.
All the way down.
Here's some
A little
delicious.
bit more left.
It's just
Yep.
look at it.
Yum.
Yummy.
Wow, this is great. All right, so that wraps it up. So I managed to take out 6 frames and I spun them all out, got about 6 quarts of honey syrup, and yeah, it was really, really fun. Had my first little taste. It's actually quite tasty, so I think I'm going to save some of it to eat, and then some of it I'll probably just feed back to the bees back in the fall when they're getting ready for winter. And so far, I've cleaned up everything. I've got the extractor here, and there's a little bit of honey left in here, and I'm just letting the bees clean it all up. Same with my cooler here, there's a little bit of honey. but I'm just gonna let them clean that all up for me. This has been super, super fun. So I got a little honey harvest, which is wonderful, and hopefully my queen will have more space to lay, and then my next thing to do is to treat for mites. So I'm gonna give them a day to kind of settle down, and then I'm gonna slap on some Mite Away quick strips and those mites. Okay, thanks, bye!